Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a vendor in Zoho Books manually. Firstly, on the screen on the left side you can see the sidebar. So you can go into the purchase module and click on the vendor tab. You will see the plus new button icon here. Click this button. Now you will see the vendor form will be open here. The first thing you will need to enter the primary contact here. You can add the name of the company's owner, or if necessary you can add the company name as well as. I am entering Suresh Mehta as the contact name and Mehta's Group as the company name here. In the display fields, you will find options that allow you to show the vendor name. So I will choose the company name here and enter the email address, and I have added Mehta's Group 0819@gmail.com and add the phone number here. Then scroll down to enter other details. Under the GST treatment section, click on the drop down to select the GST treatment basis. I will select business regular and enter the GST number. Once the GST number is entered, the details will be automatically filled in. You can also change the currency here. If there is an opening balance, you can add it here as well. In the TDS section, select the applicable TDS rate. In the document section, you can add any document if required. Now let's move on the address option. You will see fields for both billing and shipping address. I will enter a dummy address here, including the address and city and state and pin code here, and I also added phone number here. If the shipping address is same, simply click on the copying shipping address option to fill it in automatically. Next we have the contact person tab, where we can add the contact details of the persons associated with the company. You can add both single and multiple contacts here using the add row button. This is where you will input the contact information on the bank details section. Here you can add the bank account details of the vendor. You can also associate with multiple accounts for the same vendor. So next we have the custom field section. You can add any custom fields that you need for this vendor. After that, if you want to add any reporting tags, you can do so in the settings. Lastly, you can enter any remarks in the remarks section. So once all the details are filled out, click on the save button and the vendor will be successfully save in the Zoho Books. You can now see the full details of the vendor, including their address, GST information, etc. here.